Chapter 11. Correct usage of preposition. A preposition shows relationships. Preposition is a word used before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with the rest of the words in a sentence. The same preposition may express different relationships. Read the following examples. Clouds are in the sky. The scenery is on the wall. I came here at 9 p.m. He is sitting under a tree. Kinds of prepositions. There are three kinds of prepositions: simple preposition, compound preposition, phrase preposition. Simple prepositions: at, by, for, from, in, of, on, out, through, till, to, up, with, etc. are simple prepositions. Compound prepositions. They are mostly formed by prefixing a preposition to a noun, an adjective or an adverb. About, above, across, along, amidst, among, amongst, around, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, beyond, inside, outside, underneath, within, without, etc. are compound prepositions. Phrase prepositions. A group of words used with the force of a single preposition is called a phrase preposition. By virtue of, in course of, owing to, by way of, in favor of, with a view to, comfortably to, in front of, with an eye to, for the sake of, in view of, with reference to, by means of, in consequence of, on account of, along with, in, on behalf of, in regard to, away from, in case of, in spite of, according to, in accordance with, in place of, by reason of, in addition to, in reference to. Rules for using prepositions correctly. Preposition of place or position, on or upon. On is used when the things are at rest. Upon is used when things are in motion. Read the following examples. She is sitting on the table. The monkey climbed upon the tree. Below or under both suggest a lower level. Below shows vertical depth. Under refers to motion also. Read the following examples. Her skirt reaches just below the knee. He is taking rest under the tree. Between or among. Between is used for two persons or things. Among is used for more than two persons or things. Read the following examples. He distributed all the fruits between his grandson and granddaughter. Distribute sweets among the children. In or into. In shows state of rest or position inside anything. Into refers to motion towards the inside of something. Read the following examples. He is in his room. She jumped into the river. At or in according to place. At is used for small and less important places, villages and small towns. In is used for large places, countries and large towns. Read the following examples. I live in Delhi. Sonu lives at Jhansi in UP. At, in, on, by according to time. At is used for a point of time. In is used for a period of time in which something happens. On is used with dates and days. By means no later than. Read the following examples. She left home at night. I will be back on Saturday. I will finish my work by 7 p.m. Preposition of time. After or in. After is used to show at the end of a period of time in the past. In is used to show at the end of a period of time in the future. Read the following examples. Rohit came after 2 days. I will come in 5 days. In or within. In refers to at the end of some future period. Within denotes before the end of. Read the following examples. I shall finish this work in 2 days. They will reach here within 2 hours. By, with. By is used after verbs in the passive voice to denote the doer of the action expressed by the verb. With is used with the instrument with which the action is done. Read the following examples. Food was prepared by her mother. I drew this picture with the pencil. To, till, until. To is used to show both time and place. Till or until is used to express only time. Read the following examples. He went to his hometown. I will not be back till 11 o'clock. Please wait here until 1 o'clock. During. It is used to show a particular period in the course of time. Read the following examples. He reads books during a journey. He will stay with me during his vacation. Around or throughout. Around is used to point out the meaning of about or nearness of time. Throughout is used to show continuity during a period of time. Read the following examples. I will leave the place at around 6 p.m. I cannot work throughout the night. Since or for. Since is used to show a point in time in the past. For is used to show a period of time in the present, past or future. Read the following examples. It has been drizzling since night. She will stay here for 3 hours. Beside or besides. Beside means by the side of. Besides means in addition to. Read the following examples. Renu is walking beside her friend. I ate an orange besides grapes. Before, for. Before is used in negative and affirmative sentences alike to show a point of future time. For is used to denote a period of time. Read the following examples. I will finish this work before 9 o'clock. I have been learning grammar for a long time. Since or from. Since is used to show a point of time and comes after a verb in the present perfect tense and perfect continuous tense. It can be used to show past time. From may be used with any form of tense. Read the following examples. I have not met him since last year. He will join the office from Monday. Preposition of direction. From. It shows starting at or coming from a place. Read the following examples. The apple fell from the tree. They are coming from the market. Of. Of. Of is used to show the sense of forming a part of something or a relationship. Of is used to show away and separate from. Read the following examples. The chair is made of iron. He fell off the cart. About or above. About is used to show the meaning of subjective supposition around, approximate, etc. Above is used to indicate much more than, beyond and on. Read the following examples. I should do it in about an hour. He weighs about 60 kilos. Against. It implies in contact with. Read the following example. The ladder was placed against the wall. Before. It implies in front of or before anything. Read the following examples. I reached there the day before yesterday. He appeared before the judge. Towards or to. Towards is used to indicate a certain direction. To is used for showing a certain place. Read the following examples. He has gone towards the market. I will go to my friend's house. Let's recapitulate. The word preposition is made of Pre plus possession, meaning placed before. It means that it is placed before a noun, a pronoun, a phrase or a verb. It expresses their relationship with the rest of the sentence as under a tree, in the hole, behind the car, on the table. The noun or pronoun placed after the preposition is its object. In the above phrase, a tree is the object of under, the hole is the object of in, behind has the object the car, and the table is the object of on. In case the object is an interrogative pronoun or a related pronoun, the preposition is placed at the end of the sentence. Examples: whose book are you looking for? She is the expert. I depend upon. Some prepositions and their usage. Prepositions of place or position, on or upon. On is used when things are at rest, as on the cot, in the net. Upon is used when things are in motion, as climbing upon, jumping into. Below or under, both suggest a lower level. Below shows vertical depth, skirt below the knee. Under refers to motion also, as resting under the shade. Between or among, between is used for two persons or things. Between Ram and Sham there is no dispute. Divide the apple between Ali and Razia. Used for more than two persons or things, as distribute sweets among the children. In or into. In shows state of rest, as they are in the hall. Into refers to motion. The lion jumped into the well. At or in. At is used for a small place, as they live at Hapur. In is used for a big city. They live in Chennai. At or in or on or by. At, in, on and by all show time. At is used for a point of time. At 5 a.m. she left at night. In is used for a period of time. In January, in 2017, in an hour. On is used with dates and days. On June 1, on Sunday. By implies no later than, as I must finish it by Monday. Prepositions of time. After, in. After is used to mean at the end of, to mean the past. I finished it after 2 hours. In is used to mean at the end of time in future. We shall return in 2 days. By, with. By is used after verbs in the passive voice. It was done by Robert. With is used with the instrument with which the action is done. They fought with swords. To, till, until. To is used to show time and place. We came to the circus. Till and until are used to express only time. Wait until the bell rings. I won't be back till 6 p.m. Since or for. Since shows a point of time. He has been absent since Monday. For shows a period of time. He has been absent for 2 days. Beside or besides. Beside means by the side of. Sit beside me. Besides means in addition to. Everyone came besides Ravi. Prepositions of direction. From, of. From shows starting at or coming from a place. The apple fell from the tree. They are returning from the meeting. Of shows being a part of something or a relationship. The stool is made of wood. Of shows getting separated from. He fell off the bus. Against implies in contact with. They stood against the school boundary. Before means in front of or before something. I reached there before the film. He stood before the doctor. Towards indicates direction. They have gone towards the market. To shows a certain place. I go to the temple in the morning.